Hi, it's Brendan again. Today I'd like to talk to you about a really fun way and specific way of adding unique content to your website. And it's a great strategy to do long term and create some unique points of difference utilizing your website. So once you've got your main website built, and once you've been operating for a while, you might start to identify some key target areas that would be interesting for clientele, or that you know that clientele are interested in. For instance, you may have a restaurant on your or part of your premises. So if you have a restaurant, now you could just put some information and some pictures on your hotel website. But then it kind of just looks like the hotel restaurant. It doesn't look like a fully fledged proper restaurant. So a really good thing to do would be to make your own microsite. So those pages can still be part of your main hotel website, but you can style them. You can give them a different look, a different feel. You can create a landing page that looks like it is a proper restaurant, and you can style that differently. The bookings can go through to the reservations for restaurant bookings instead of hotel bookings, all that sort of stuff. And you could turn that landing page into a mini microsite and add a couple of other pages. You could have reviews on food reviews on what people say about the restaurant. You could have a blog by the chef, so the chef could post recipes and articles, and so you can see. Creating a microsite for your restaurant then makes it an attraction of its own. Other areas that you could, for instance, create a microsite would be if you do a lot of wedding business. You can create your own little wedding portal, how to plan your wedding, local suppliers, and you could make it all dreamy and make it a lot softer and more of a wedding look and feel than the rest of the hotel website, which is more about the accommodation. It might be a beachfront location and it can be all light and beachy, whereas people's weddings, they might want to be a little bit different feel. So that's another opportunity. Or you might have corporate or conferencing. We have a lot of clients that will create a hotel website. Within that, we'll create a microsite for the weddings, we'll create a microsite for their restaurant, and we can create a microsite for their conference bookings. So that way, you've got corporate clientele going into a more corporate area of the website. So they're not getting lost in the leisure feel of the hotel. They feel as though this is a more serious business aspect because the page looks and feels more business-like. So that's a really effective way of using landing pages or microsites. Another way that we use landing pages is you can do special offers. So if it's a unique special offer that you want only select people to find, you can then set a landing page up. Like for instance, we do a 72-hour countdown campaign. So we advertise the fact that there's a fantastic sale on via an email, but when they come through to the landing page, it's got a big counter ticking down, and it's basically telling people, if you don't do this soon, time is going to run out. And that is a great incentive or motivator for people to go, ooh, I don't want to miss out on that. So it creates that fear of missing out. It also, by creating its own landing page, it's got a set time on it. It will run out once the 72 hours is up. It also lets you put a special package in there, which is advertised nowhere else. So this is an exclusive package for your guests and your email database. So you don't have to offer that package via your, the OTAs or anything like that. So it's a great opportunity to do unique and specific offers to your clientele, your loyalty guest database. Another great way to use landing pages, you could send traffic to that landing page also via AdWords. So it's really effective. It's been proven that Google Adwords works incredibly well when you send people to a specific page rather than just the home page of a website. That way, you can write specific content in your Google Adwords, and then when they click through to the page, it's exactly the same content. It's not just the whole landing page of the website. So that is also an important aspect of using Google Adwords. You can do it in conjunction with a landing page.